what's going on, Gearheads? Welcome back to the garage, and today we're kicking off a new project. So let's go check it out. All right, there she is in all her glory. Junkyard 5.3. Just picked this baby up off Marketplace. Came out of a 2005 Suburban. 200,000 miles roughly. So pretty grimy, pretty greasy. But there she is. Clean everything up and basically do a complete refresh rebuild on it. So probably do main bearings, rod bearings, new piston rings, holding the cylinders out, refresh the heads by lapping the valves, and we'll clean the combustion chambers, the intake runners, all that stuff. Basically get them nice and clean. And then we'll probably put a stage 2 cam or something in it, valve springs, all that good stuff, and kind of get this thing prepped and ready on the stand to hopefully throw it in a potential future project car. So without delaying this any longer, I think we'll go ahead and dive in, start stripping this thing down. All right, I'm going to set you guys up on time lapse, and let's get jamming. Well, we heard our first snag. Trying to pull the cam out. Take a look there. The cam bearing came with that camshaft journal, so now I can't get it past the next one, essentially, because it's got the bearing stuck on it. So, gonna have to figure out how to get that off of there, otherwise I'm not gonna be able to pull the cam out. So there, I just slid it back a little further so you could see the bearing stuck on top of the cam journal. So that's not good. But guys, I gotta wrap this up here. Joining one of our ships tomorrow to basically travel with them to do a generator overhaul, MAN 2330. So that's gonna be it for this week as far as I could get on her. Once I get back in town the following week, have a plan together, figure out how we're gonna get that cam bearing off of the camshaft, get the camshaft out of the engine, and then obviously we're gonna be doing a whole set of cam bearings. Hopefully the bore isn't damaged. It doesn't look like the bearing spun. For some reason, maybe it lost its crush and it slid out with it, but I think if the bearing was spun, it was spinning with the cam and the bore, we'd see a whole bunch of, scrapes and scoring marks all along there. So I don't think there's any damage to it, but hopefully the bore mics out okay and we still have the proper clearance in there, so be able to basically push in and press a new cam bearing in there. It's going to hold and retain in its position. It's not going to want to slip or turn. And hopefully, obviously we'll be able to save the block. So stay tuned for the next episode. We'll dive a little further into this and we'll figure out how to get that cam and bearing out. So see you on the next one.